Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing IDFC First Bank. I've taken IDFC First Bank weekly chart. I just want to show you what has happened here. Prices have closed above this 200-day moving average and it has started bouncing up. So for now prices have been holding this previous resistance level. Let me mark that. Let's see what this high was. High was 52.545 and today's high was 53. Okay, so for me 53 will be a key level, and then I'll draw some more resistance here. 56.85, and let's see what more resistance we have. 61 and 67. For now I'll maintain these as my targets on the upside. Let me explain you the plan. Okay, in the coming week, in case we see price closing above this level, you can see price today has formed a it was a bearish candle today. Prices have come down. So in case we see price closing above 53, then we can expect prices move to 56.85, 61 and 67.67. These are the levels I'll maintain provided price closes above 53. If that happens, yes, these are the three targets what I'll be looking for in the coming week. If that doesn't happen, then obviously prices are going to move down probably to 47 levels, because that can act as a strong support. This will be a strong support. Let's see what happens. In case it retraces down, I'll wait for an opportunity. I'll see for the price to hit at least this 50 moving average and then probably take a decision, because you can see here prices have bounced well whenever it has hit 50 moving average, right? So once it touches 50 moving average, at that time probably I can take a decision. Probably the time it comes down, this 50 moving average can come and take support here, and then we can take a decision either for a trade again on the long side. In case it breaks this, then it will be something like a double top breakdown, and below this level we can see prices heading down back to 38 levels. I'll draw one more resistance line here. Yes, almost around 39 levels we can see prices to move down. So let's see what happens on Monday. In case price trades above 53, then probably intraday traders can take a long position with a proper risk reward ratio based on your strategy, whatever you have. And for positional traders, closing above 53 will be a key level. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.